Today I'm going to share all about aesthetics and what is beauty through the means of makeup, which is an artificial way but will make you look better. Oh, hello everyone, Fanny this side. The day has come. Today I'm finally gonna film a video which I have been thinking from a decade to upload. So that's what I'll be doing for today. Let's go. First of all, we'll be doing CTM. I've already cleansed my face. Now I'll be calming my face with the toner pads. By the way, I don't have the plucker right now, the tweezer right now to put, so I'll be putting with the hands. These are toner pads through which the kind of pH level of the skin is balanced, We could be the M part, moisturizing. This is what I am doing here right now. So this could give you the skin prep thing, the dewy look, the glass skin before actually starting the makeup. Even though I've done my skin prep, actually it looks glossy. I mean, the effect is quite glossy, but the thing is, it's all about the lighting. My skin is not in good condition actually, so today's tutorial would be super simple makeup, natural makeup tutorial. That's it. I'm done with my hairs. I did not put much efforts in doing the brows, but probably for time we'll put some primer here, brow primer, then some tint. It's a beige tint, beige eyebrow tint. Now, in the end, I would like to say sorry that this video will be ending now. That's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be more interactive and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below on the comment box. Bye.